Hey guys, this is Alex Arbashanu, and today I received from Empire Film, and this is Little Woman with Emma Watson, also starred in Harry Potter. So the film is directed by Greta Gerwig. So I already removed the shrink wrap, and see. So let's get started. So here is the front cover. We have the March sisters, and this is the spine, and this is the back. We have a scene from the movie and list with the special features, and it has Romanian subtitles which are suitable for my country. Now, so if you open the disc, you get the disc. So that's it, guys. This is Little Woman on DVD. Thanks for watching, and take care, guys.